Hey everyone, today I'm going to go over my trade on HCWB. This one was an excellent winner. It checked all the boxes, but we had to be a little bit careful on it because right here in the chat room, I mentioned that it has some light resistance pockets that are above pre-market highs, so I needed to wait for a confirmation pattern to form. Now let me show you what I mean by this really quickly. If we look at the daily chart, there's some high volume areas above the current price that fall within the past year. So that could make the price struggle a little bit to go upwards. So we have to be a little bit more careful. And that's why I use my confirmation patterns. Now, what I saw here in pre-market was this consolidation and then a strong breakout above that consolidation. So this looks like a perfect entry method number 3 pattern, which is what I call the strong breakout pullback consolidation pattern. So what I'm looking for is a strong breakout and then a consolidation to form above support. Now the idea behind this is to have a swing high form close to support and then buy the breakout above that swing high. If we come back to the 1 minute chart, we have that strong breakout and then it pulls back. Now this one was a little bit tricky because it halts multiple times in through here, but halts don't really scare me. It just means that I have to be a little bit more patient to wait for the price action I want to see develop. So we get the pullback to support and then it starts making the swing highs. Before I enter into any trade, I'm trying to figure out where the stock's maximum potential would be. And I state this in the chat room right here. In between 1698 to 2129 is going to be my maximum target range. So I draw this out on my chart right there. So because I'm anticipating this area to be where the high of day is going to fall at, I don't want to buy above these swing highs because it's too close to its maximum potential. If I bought at those swing highs, then I'm not going to have very much room to profit. So I have to wait patiently for a swing high to fall somewhere close to this 1326 support line. And we don't really get that swing high until right here. Once that swing high forms, I start getting my order ready and then I place a buy order on the breakout right there. So as you can see from my execution arrow, this candle is where I bought in at. I placed my stop loss at the bottom of the swing low right there, and I just waited patiently. This one took a few minutes to develop, but as always, whenever you enter into a trade, you have to stay patient because not every time is a stock going to work immediately. Sometimes they stutter a little bit before they can get going. So I waited patiently and then sold as soon as the price hit my target zone right there. So that's how I played this stock. I hope you guys made money on it too. Hope you all learned something, and I'd like to thank you so much for watching.